So if you're like me and you've been following the markets, then there's absolutely no way you haven't heard of ARK Invest and Cathie Wood. And I noticed that a lot of people, they mention her daily trades. And when I went to research where they're finding this information, I actually didn't find a good resource on how to get that information. So what you want to do is you want to navigate to ark-funds.com. Remember, there's a dash there. And then once you're there in the homepage, you'll see in the upper right hand corner something that says subscribe. Click subscribe. And here you're going to want to fill in all of your information. I would highly suggest that you select all the ETFs or whichever ones are of interest to you. And then you can fill out these two sections here. And if you're just interested in her daily trades, then I would hit trade notifications. However, if you're really interested in their thought process, I would definitely click updates on ARK's research and the webinars and events as well. That way you can really keep an eye on what's going on with the ARK ETFs. And you can also do the updates and quarterly reports on ARK's ETF. So once you have completely filled it out, just scroll down to the bottom and hit subscribe. And then you simply check your inbox and confirm your email account that you signed up with, and then you should be ready to go. So in my case, I use Gmail. So I go into my account, I confirm my subscription, and right here you can see it says you've successfully updated your email preferences. So if you've done it correctly, then at the end of each trading day, between around 8 p.m. and maybe 11:45 p.m., you're going to receive an email from ARK Trading Desk, and it's going to have listed all of the trades, how many they bought, how many they sold for that exact day. And you can also download today's trades in Excel format by clicking here. And if you no longer wish to receive these, then you can simply unsubscribe at the bottom or at the top of the email. So whether you are a fan of ARK Invest or Cathie Wood, it doesn't really matter because she still has a lot of pull when it comes to growth stocks and dictating the way that things move based on her convictions, based on her moves. And so it's definitely really wise to keep an eye on what ARK Invest and Cathie Wood is doing at the moment. I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.